So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add issues to your GitHub repository. Open the browser and go to GitHub. When you go to GitHub, look for your repositories, which you can find here at the left sidebar. You can also find them around here. You click the icon of your account and then you can click your repositories, so you can see all the repositories. Now I'll click the Autofore Repository, and here at the navigation menu, after the code tab, there is an issues tab. Click it and click new issue, then put the title. You can say fixing the landing page, so you can say add book now button, or then you can say add footer. You can say add remove garages from the navigation menu, and you can say make the navigation menu the navigation menu sticky at the top of the page. You need to be very specific on the mobile and the desktop devices. If you are not specific, it's gonna make it very difficult for the engineers to know what to do, because it will be ambiguous and they will be all over the place. Then also try as much as possible not to mix issues. This is landing page, let it be landing page. Then after that, you do submit the issue. Then the team will be able to see that there is an issue. You can go ahead and still click new issue. Then you think of something that you want to fix or add. For example, you can say slow to share, let me see, slow to log in or to sign up, something like that. Then you explain what's it, what's that. For example, you said when you click the button, they delay to show you what where the page is going, whether it's signing up or not. So you can find a way. You try as much as possible to be concise, specific, and brief. Then you click submit issue. Thank you very much.